Stop overthinking your TikTok shop video ads. This is a good example of how low effort videos are crushing it on TikTok shop, as long as they are sending the message across and they are doing what's required. Look at this video. It is literally 36 seconds long. It's promoting these cooking oil spring bottles, storage bottles, whatever you want to call them. Who would have thought that a video like this would have garnered in the last 30 days 9.4 million views, generating 91,000 in revenue, no ad spend whatsoever? Absolutely nuts. Barely any editing, literally just this lady doing these sounds. She does do a little bit of talking towards the end, but she's mainly showing you, show and tell. This is what it does, this is how you use it, and just a few words to say, click the basket and purchase the product. And just think about it. How many videos like this do you think you'd be able to knock out a day once you have got that product, once you've proved that it's a product that's in demand, and once you've decided you're going to go ahead and test that product? You could shop affiliate, you could be the seller, the person that's drop shipping this product, actually creating your own video ads, and you could be that person that's not actually spending any money whatsoever to promote it. And again, I really like examples like this where I see a pretty simple, straightforward video, barely any production value, that is absolutely crushing it. No ad spend whatsoever. Commission percentages, you're looking at anywhere from 10, 20, maybe sort of 10, 15% commission. I would estimate she could have easily taken away maybe 9K or just below that, depending on what the percentage is. I don't see a product like this being at like 5% commission, but if you do know, let me know in the comments. Why complicated when it doesn't have to be complicated, when your video ad could be as simple as this? Absolutely crazy. And all of this, there's no, for the majority of the video, if I go and I move myself there, there's no production value. There's not even any music. Let me just reverse it. There we start from scratch. Simple. Watch. This is what it does. The hook is the product, showing what it actually does.
Wait, you don't even say anything. It pours glass.
How much more simpler can video ads get? Wanted to share this. Really excited to show you guys this case study. Obviously, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. And yeah, I'll check you out in the next one.